Welcome to Linux Vasanth channel. In this video, we will see how to install and uninstall the packages in the Red Hat servers. To install the given packages in the Red Hat based systems, we have two tools to perform that. The first one is the RPM command and the second one is the yum command. So the difference between RPM and yum is nothing but the RPM, it allows you to install the given packages only. So by default, the RPM will not install the supporting packages. So basically some application might depends upon the other packages. So when you are using the RPM command to install that first, you need to install the supporting packages manually, and then after that you have to install the main packages. And the next tool, the yum command, and the yum tool, it works in a different way to install, uninstall and update the existing Red Hat packages. Actually basically it works with the package repositories where all the informations are kept. So by default the yum tool automatically check all the supporting packages and install them. No need to manually install the supporting packages when you are using the yum command. Let me show you how to install the RPM packages in the Red Hat server. So if you want to install the packages, first you have to change your working directory path to the /media folder where the CD-ROM gets automatically mounted. So cd/media, So cd/media, then RHEL, then package. So you have to change your path to this location. Then run the ls command to check the available packages inside the folder. So you can check all the available .rpm packages. Now to check the individual package details, you can use the ls command, ls-l. Then you can use the pipe symbol grep. For example, I'm going to find the telnet package details. So yes, we have two telnet packages. The one is the server package and the another one is the client packages. And here the telnet is nothing but it is the package name, and the second one 0.17 is nothing but is the version of the package, and the next one 46 is nothing but the subversion of the package, and then E16 is nothing but this shows the package created for the Red Hat, and x86_64 is nothing but the hardware platform, and the last one .rpm means the RPM file extension. So in this example, I will install the nano package. Before you start installing, you should check whether the package is already installed or not by using the RPM command. So RPM-Q means query, then followed by the package name is nano. Enter. Yeah. The output shows the package is not yet installed. Now to install the package, always you have to change your location to this one, media, RHEL and packages, and then use the command RPM, and I use the option to install the given package. The next option, V means the verbose output, and H means to show the hash progress, and then type NAN, then press the tab key, the remaining field will get automatically selected, then enter. That's it. Now the package is installing. So 100%, which indicates the package has been successfully installed. Now to check whether it is properly updated or not, execute the same command once again, the query option, then enter. This time you can see the version details of the nano package. So like this you have to check the package is installed or not. If it is not installed, then by using the I option you can install the given packages. Okay, as you know very well, by default the RPM command will not check the supporting packages. So before you install, if you want to check the supporting packages, you can use one option. The RPM is the command, then followed by -Q means query, then P, then capital R. For example, I'm going to check the supporting packages for the telnet server. So telnet, then enter. Yes, so these are all the packages that needed for the telnet server. So these are all the supporting packages needed by the telnet server packages. So Q means query, and the option P is nothing but print the capabilities of the packages provided. Then the capital R is nothing but that will display on which the packages depends. So like this you can check, and you can also check for another one package. This time I use the HTTP. The HTTP package something 2, enter. Yes, so we have plenty of supporting packages for the HTTP. So if you want to check the supporting packages, always use the option called capital R. In the next example, so how to check the command belongs to which package? For example, if you want to check the command belongs to which package in your Linux system, we can get that with the RPM command. Let us say, for an example, I need to find the command top belongs to which package. So if you want to check that one, you have to use the command RPM, then -q is the option query, then -f is the special option, then followed by the full path of the command. You should not give like this. Top means you will get the error message only. So you have to add the full path of the command. And we have one command called which, followed by any command you can give. This command will tell you the full location from where it is executing. Now RPM -qf, then you have to give /user/bin and then /top. Yes, that's it. Now the top command belongs to the package called procps, followed by the version details. So like this you can check the package names for all the commands. And this time I use another one command, which, for example, shutdown is an administrator command. Shutdown, the same RPM -qf /sbin, then followed by shutdown. That's it. Sorry, it's /sbin only. Yes. Now the shutdown command belongs to the package called upstart. So like this you can find the package name for all the commands. Now let me tell you how to uninstall the package. So RPM -q followed by nano. The nano package is already installed. So to uninstall the same command, this time you have to use the option called E. E means erase the given package. Then space, the package name is nano. That's it. Now execute RPM -q nano. So this time you will get what? The package is not installed. So like this you have to install, uninstall and query the packages in the Red Hat based servers. Thanks for watching.